How to connect Stripe to your Wix website to accept it as a payment method. So from the main page of Wix, we want to scroll down and focus on the left hand side until we see this option for settings. So we want to click on it. Then right here, we have to go to the third option, which is accept payments. So just click on accept payments. And the first option right here should be Stripe if you haven't set up any payment methods beforehand. Just give it some time to load. I don't know why it's taking so long. Okay, so right here you will see Stripe. So allows you to accept credit or debit card payments. So we can do Visa, MasterCard, American Express, so on and so forth. So you just gotta click on connect. And it will give us a step-by-step guide if we want to connect to our Stripe account. So basically we have to click on connect right here at the bottom. It will ask us to sign into our Stripe account. And once we have signed in, your Stripe account will be connected to Wix. So you will be able to get paid through Wix and it will go directly into your Stripe account. So here on the right hand side, you can actually see the fee. So the fee is 1.4% plus 50 cents per transaction. So that's how you connect Stripe to your Wix account. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.